What are derived versus ancestral traits in primate taxonomy? Imagine trying to figure out how different animals are related just by looking at their features. That's what scientists do when they study primates and their traits. It's like piecing together a giant family tree. To do this, they look at traits that are shared across species and decide which ones are old and which ones are new. This helps us understand how primates evolved and how humans fit into the picture. Ancestral traits are features that primates inherited from a very distant common ancestor. These traits have stayed pretty much the same over millions of years. For example, all primates have body hair because their ancestors, mammals, had hair. Another example is having 5 digits on each hand or foot. These traits are shared by many primates and help define big groups like primates as a whole. They are like the family traits that everyone in the family has, no matter how different they are. Derived traits are different. They are features that developed more recently after primates split from their common ancestors. These traits show how certain species change to adapt to their environments. For example, humans walk upright onto legs, which is a derived trait. This trait evolved after humans and chimpanzees split from their common ancestor. When scientists find fossils with features like bipedalism, it shows that those species are more closely related to humans. Derived traits help scientists tell apart closely related species and understand their unique adaptations. In human evolution and biological anthropology, knowing the difference between ancestral and derived traits helps us trace how our ancestors changed over time. It also helps us understand behaviors and how primates adapted to their surroundings. For example, some primates have sharp eyesight, which is a derived trait that helps them hunt or avoid predators. Meanwhile, traits like having body hair are ancestral and show us where primates started from. To sum up, ancestral traits are features inherited from long ago and shared across many primates. Derived traits are new features that evolved after species split from their common ancestors. These differences are key tools for scientists studying primate relationships and evolution. They help us see how primates, including humans, have changed and adapted through millions of years. Understanding these traits makes it easier to piece together the story of our evolutionary past.